Boom, I'm back in the toy shed, and in this time I'm going to be inspecting the front wheel. I've got some tools here. I've got some wire wool. I have a big wire brush. I have a small wire brush. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be looking at the rim to see how bad the rusting and the pitting is. And then once I've assessed that, then I'll make a decision on whether what to do about it, whether we live with it, whether we get it refurbished, or whether we replace it. Time will tell. So I'm going to start off with the wire wool and just going to go round and just give it a rub. Now you'll notice that the new what do you call it? The new workbench is all right. It's not totally ideal. It doesn't come out fine enough, but it will do. It serves the purposes. It will do what we need it to do. So I'm just going to see how I get on. With just using the wire wool for now, just to see. Yeah, there's quite a bit of pitting on it. It is cleaning up. I think it's going to take quite a bit of the old elbow grease. You know what I mean? You know where I'm coming from. You've got a good idea of how much work this is likely to be. Now, has the chrome actually come off of it? That's the $6 million question. How bad is the chrome on it? It's yeah, it seems. Try a small wire brush. This is taking quite a bit of elbow grease. Just the weather is still really hot. It's really warm here in the old toy shed at the Heale Manor. But like a good soldier, there's no point in dripping about it. Marines drip, soldiers just get on with it. So I'm just gonna have a really good scratch around with this, just to see whether it's one can live with it, or whether we're going to need to do something a little bit more drastic with it. So that's it for now. I think I'm going to go and do the research, work out whether it's worth stripping it down and getting it respun and re-chromed, or whether it would be cheaper in the long run to get a new rim, the same for the back, and then we make that informed decision, shall we say. So until next time, TTFN, ta-ta for now. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you see me doing something that I shouldn't, or I could do it a better way, put me a doobry what's it's in the comments box. Let us know what you reckon. So until next time, TTFN, ta-ta for now.